Hello. With your AI receptionist, Kate, you'll never miss an opportunity to connect with potential customers. This is how you can set up. First, you need to log in to your Markate account and then click the Add-ons section. You can see AI Receptionist add-on. Once enabled this add-on, simply click Manage button. You are redirected to AI Receptionist dashboard, where just click Add More Calls to add calls quantity. Also, make sure you need a virtual number to receive calls. You can add a virtual number from the add-on page. Go to AI Instructions tab to customize how the AI interacts with your clients, tailoring responses for better engagement. Type your business name. It simply helps the AI receptionist to know who to represent during calls. Make sure to enter up to 120 characters. From the Service Template dropdown, select a service template. For example, I can choose Pressure Washing Template if my business provides pressure washing services. Once you choose a template, it prompts to override existing settings with new data, just to ensure your AI is always equipped with the latest service offerings. Edit, add or delete the services as per your business needs. Keep your service name, details and pricing clear and direct for AI to understand and respond better. You can enter up to 120 characters. Enter service area in the form of city, zip code, and neighborhood, your business information, any deals or promotions running currently, and add a couple of necessary questions for AI to collect information during calls. Enter details on consultation, estimates, quotes or any other information you would like your customers to know. Always save your changes. Click Preview to review all the details you have added. Navigate to the Settings tab for a few additional settings, such as, you can change the AI receptionist status. If it's inactive, the system will forward the calls to your number. Also, you can set call disabled hours from Settings tab. Save the settings. From the Blocked List tab, add unwanted numbers to ensure your AI receptionist avoids unwanted calls, maintaining focus on quality leads. Click Add Number button to add the number to be blocked. Manage settings as needed after making changes to your blocked list. Go to Call Logs tab to analyze previous interactions, allowing you to refine your approach based on real data. Click the icon to check call recordings and transcripts. Click the Leads section to monitor potential customers. Select a specific lead generated by AI Receptionist to view their details. On Lead View page, you can view call details by clicking Call Details icon. On Call Details pop-up, you can listen to the call recording as well as read call transcript for better understanding. Thanks for watching and visit our help pages for more guidance.